Okay, today we're gonna be unboxing regalo ko sa sarili ko. To me, from me. Sa Mother's Day. Gusto ni Habi bayaran niya. Sabi ko, ayoko nga. Gusto ko akin lang.
Wait, why'd you buy another watch?
This is ano daw. Pampatanggal daw to ng stress at ng anxiety at it helps to get a better sleep. Kaya ako binili.
I thought you bought an Apple Watch again.
No.
For no reason.
This is the brand. Philips Time. Eh. Alam ko lang kung saan buksan. Ayan siya. Tapos meron siyang do not eat.
How does that help with anxiety?
I don't know. Helps reduce anxiety and stress. Kaya ako bumalik kasi yung stress level ko abot na ng langit. Ano ba to? Binili ko to as Mother's Day gift for myself.
It's blue.
It's blue. Ding.
Nice.
Look.
I was expecting something like a Apple Watch.
Ang laki. Size nito, large. Tatry ko lang kung maaalis nga yung stress ko dito. Pag naalis ng stress ko dito, bibili ako kahit 10. Charot.
Kung hindi?
Maalis lang yung stress ko. O, diba? Maluwang.
Because why'd you pick large?
Tira, ang large ito. Itong ano. Ay, ang payat ko talaga. Oy. Hindi pa marunong magsuot eh. Tinatanong ni Habi magkano to. Sabi ko, wag mo nang itanong. Ayan, lagi. Lagi nilang malaki kasi payat ako. Ayan siya. Ganyan ang itsura niya.
Doesn't match with the gold. You have to get a silver one.
I'm gonna get another bracelet. Mahal ka na ito bracelet lang, Mika, no? Baka himatayin ka kung magkano.
Are you gonna get a gold bracelet?
Bracelet pala. No, silver. Like that. Why gold? May nakikita ka bang gold dito para gold? Yan siya.
Philips Stein.
Ang relos ni Einstein. Introduction manual. Si Inday hindi nagbabasa ng manual. Ibabala ka dyan.
I'm very curious to how that's supposed to help. It's just a watch.
It's ano to, tangi. Ayan yung benefits niya, oh. Less stress.
Because it's blue.
More balance. Better sleep.
Oh, I get it. Because blue represents peace. So if you use this, then
increase energy. Improve focus. Focus sa gastos, Inday. Clinically study confirms. Charot.
I should start selling like.
Ayan siya, oh, how it works. Hindi ko lang alam kung gagana ito sa akin kasi hindi ko siya masusuot lagi. Ayan siya, oh. Clinically study has shown to improve blah blah blah. Charot.
Stop saying charot.
Ayan lang. Nice eh, Mika?
No. I still don't know how that's supposed to help, but okay.
Ay, anong oras na ba? Anong oras na?
Down.
5. Hindi pa tamang oras nito, oy. 5. Dual to kaya, isang Pilipinas. Isa sa Pilipinas, isa sa Canada. Anong oras na ba? 5. Tapos mamaya, hindi pa umandar, oy. Check muna natin. Mamaya, ay umandar. Anong oras na sa Pilipinas? 5, 6, 7. 7. Ay, ano ba yun? Marunong. Ayan, ito sa Canada, ito sa Pilipinas. 5:05, 7:05. Akala mo naman malilito pa. Ayun lang, guys. Regalo ko lang sa sarili ko para masaya kasi parang puno ako ng stress. Maasa ako maalis ang stress ko dadal dito.
I should buy something for myself too for Mother's Day.
You buy me this one.
No, me, I'm gonna buy something for Mother's Day for me.
Bakit nanay ka na? Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.
Peace.